I have an announcement. We're gonna learn something new here at the Kneady Homesteader channel. I am taking on a new adventure. So let's go see what it is. Here we go. Cannot tell you guys how excited I am about this new adventure. Here we go. Ta-da! Steam canner. That's right, you guys. Our new adventure together, it's gonna be steam canning, learning how to steam can. You know, there's not a whole lot of new things that you can learn in the world of canning, but this piqued my attention when my friend Paul found one at an estate sale and asked me about it, and I had to say, you know, I never thought about steam canning, so I had to look into it. Found Cosmopolitan Cornbread. If you guys are not subscribed to her, I'm gonna link her up above for you. Go subscribe to her, tell her Kneady sent you, and I will link her video to her steam canning. And I have to tell you, after I saw her video, I was so excited, I had to order one. So here we go, Adventures of Steam Canning. I'm gonna start a playlist. We're gonna play around with it. It is just like water bath canning. You know, it has to be high acid food. It will not replace pressure canning. But you guys, I am so excited to play around with this and learn how to steam can. So, who's with me? Who wants to watch the adventure? Or better yet, take part in the adventure. If you have a steam canner, let me know. If you love it, let me know. And yeah. Upcoming videos in steam canning. I'm so excited, you guys.